My name is Saad, and I am from Fast University. I did internship in Interns Pakistan batch 14. It is my final project. Basically, it's called a home food. So it's a website which is called Home Food. Before getting to what is the feature of this site, I'm telling you why I made this site. I made this site because in the lockdown there are lots of restaurants which are closed and they face financial losses because of that. The big restaurant like McDonald's, KFC, like international, they have international chain. They have dedicated applications and websites so can customer place their order. But like a local restaurant, 2 star, 3 star restaurant in the towns, we didn't have any application website or the mobile application or website, so they didn't have any mechanism to delivering of food online or placing placing order to them their restaurant online. So I come with this solution. This is called this is a website called Home Food. What website do basically the customer can place their order place their order and table reservation after lockdown they are applicable. So menu order and table reservation in a real time when the customer place a order in that dedicated app, that the cashier or at the time of the restaurant owner can accept or reject their order. If on the basis of that the customer can get notified via email or via website here either is order accepted or rejected. So let's get into this and tell you the functionality. So first I think we can just check these two functionalities, main functionality, then we go about the above header section about what is header section. What about this header session? Okay, so first we just place, customer can come their website, just place a order, see and many orders here. Just we give a 1 second time because okay, what we do here, confirm pickup, okay, backup. Okay, so here's the website. So what wait a second. So customer can place their order. So let's suppose customer wants there are lots of food like pizza, rice, burgers, ice cream, barbecue. So customer can place their order, like we say in burger, customer wants a burger, so customer just select a large burger and then he selected garlic mayo sauce, and then he selected a large cheese slice, any special instruction they want to give, and just put that to the cart. The customer can add to the cart. And what has did then when customer places it add to the cart, so there is a there is an there is an customer can they fill the formalities like name, ordering method. We have different order like pickup, delivery, table reservation, order, head order, and basically can customer can place order before they arrive, so that in the meantime when they arrive, so the food is ready, they reduce the serving time. And there are lots of options, table reservation, delivery, pickup. So just right now we just select a pickup, we just select a payment method, cash, okay, and just we send up just right now. So in the meantime when they're placing the order, so customer can wait for receiving this order. And you see in this meantime I just had an order, I just click on it and I just accepted. So that accepted order, and I just give it another 5 minutes, 8 minutes for this. So this is the exit, and the customer can get notified. Okay, Zed, the customer name is Zed, so there your order has been accepted, wait for 8 minutes. So this is their close. The same goes for table reservation. If customer want table reservation, so they can the table in the meantime customer can get notified by email that you have order has been taken, received, and your 8 minutes there, and the bill of this order customer can notify by email in a it's all done in a real time. So a number of person, let's say we have order 10%, we have tomorrow, time we just put 2:15, we just select. So in the meantime, no, in the restaurant, so in the meantime customer placing their tabling. Just wait for a second now for wait for a second, go on here. In the meantime I have a app, it's cancel, the order is coming, so just accept this order, and the order has been accepted. So customer can be in customer order has been accepted, so set table reservation, and in real time customer can get notified by email that your table reservation has been done. So they are via website and via email, the customer has, the both time the customer has been uh, verified that your order has accepted or rejected. And now come to the other section of this site. Beside the website offer a story of this website, their menu. In menu there is I heard the item which our customer usually they order from this website, the hot item, trending item. In gallery they have some pictures about the website, the customer can get idea of about our restaurant. And then in the opening hours of this our restaurant, there's email and the contact and their map. Currently with I do not put a API key, so there's not connect, map is not connected with this site, but I will do later on. The contact page, then customer can contact with us with their name and just send a message here. So their message, this is a one page site basically, and they have a dedicated section of our story menu. So you can say that when you click this, so there go the different section, and in the meantime their link has been changed. This is a responsive site, so in mobile application his look like this. So just if you want to navigate, so we can navigate from this here in the mobile. So this is a responsive website. Okay, in backend database we get for section, different section, I just choose I choose in appearance, I just put a different sections here. And for in pages I just put a page here. And just wait a second for that. So this is the website. I hope do you like it about this site and about this site. Thank you.